Okay, we are ready. How are you two? This is a was alarm clock. It's the Russian
Cord.
a cord.
Must be the clock itself.
This is the cord.
We'll get back to that. Here's a little thank you card and some documentation. Here's a plug for the cord. I think that's everything.
Are there any bad plugs in here?
I don't think. I think all the plugs are good plugs.
Can we plug it in?
Yes. Just unwinding the cable. It's USB-C. I like that.
How does the clock stand up?
What do you mean? So we can unbox the clock if you want to. Here it is. I guess this is the front. This is the front like that. I guess I'll keep the directions in case we need to learn how to do it. I don't need the thank you card.
Can you set the correct time on it?
Yes. Okay. Clock setting, here we go. Okay, so we want to do, hold this for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Oh, I guess I should probably know what time it is, huh? That's PM. It's what, 7? 6?
6.
It's 5:57 actually. Okay. I think we got PM. I can't really see it. Yeah, PM. So we got the clock set, 5:57.
Can we see some of the lights?
Yes. It hasn't changed. I don't know if I did it right.
What are instructions for color lights?
I might not have done this right, hang on a sec. I guess that's good. Okay, so that was setting the clock.
That one.
Okay, now we can do how do I make the thing light up? That's the question, right? Well, that's the night light. Maybe it has to be dark? Yep, had to be dark. Okay.
Does it do different colors?
I don't know. But there's different brightnesses. Oh, that pulsates apparently. And that's off. Kind of like the lowest one.
Maybe you gotta push it twice very quickly.
I think that's all it does, but
No, turn it off. Push it twice very fast.
yeah, it doesn't do anything.
Can you read the instructions?
Short press for 24-hour clock. I want to do that. There it is, 1800. Is that right?
Do you want it on 24-hour time or 12-hour?
I like 24. Is that okay?
Yes. How do you set the alarm?
Well, there is a color button. Let's see what that does. Ah, there we go. So it's kind of just winding through the colors, and then I can.
What colors does it do?
It's just changing from all the colors very slowly. There's red, yellow, more yellow, I guess. Is that blue?
Yes.
That's blue as well. That's also blue. Okay, purple, white, and then pulsating again. Kind of like that one.
Does it do?
Looks like the moon.
Does it do sound?
I'm still learning what all the different things do. So let's see, color, alarms. What is it? I don't know what those do. So there's something called natural sound, or natural sound.
What's here with?
I haven't figured out how to make that happen yet. Maybe I have to hold it. Oh. Yeah, I don't know how to make the sounds go yet. There's a whole other side.
Is that the only sound?
I don't know yet. Oh, I think you do this. I forgot I had this knob. the different volumes. Okay. I don't know how to change the different tracks.
Can we see the one feature, please?
Here we go. Here's the. Oh, is this a push? There we go. So that's the nature sounds. It's the water. More water side. That would make me have to pee. Fire. That would make me flee the house.
What?
Sounds like fire.
What would it make you do?
Run out of the house. Jungle sounds?
Jungle
Or
sounds.
is that dogs?
Push it again.
Thunderstorm. Traffic?
Would that make you run out of the house?
No. Water again? Maybe it's a rainstorm. There's some music.
Clock ticking.
Time bomb. Oh, now starting over again.
Can we see the one feature now? Daddy, can
Yeah?
you turn the light off and can we see the one feature? Daddy.
Okay. The light's off. Or do you want me to shut this light off?
I want you to shut this light. I want you to shut that light off.
Like that?
Can we see the one feature?
Well, how do you want me to display the alarm feature? Just set it?
Yes.
Okay.
Just make it do the sunrise, Daddy.
Does this one do sunrise?
Yes. Is there a one feature in there? But I think you have to shut the light off on it, Daddy. Can you shut the light off on it first, Daddy?
Oh, I was on the wrong thing, I think. Yeah, how do I set this?
Are you going to turn the light off? Or does it shut off by itself? Are you going to turn the light off for Daddy?
Sure.
On that.
Yeah, I will, hang on. Just trying to figure out how to make it go.
Set it a little bit more past the now.
I did. Okay. Then shut the light off.
Yes.
So it should go off at 18:09. I don't know if it's just music or if it's gonna light up too, I'm not sure.
Mine lights out. What time is it now, Daddy?
It's right there, 1808. It might just play music, I'm not sure. That's it.
Bye.